I'm sitting in a 2004 Honda Element. We're going to be programming one key to this vehicle. Go to Element, key coding, 04, mobilizer 9, ignition's already on, counter keys, three keys. Okay, we're going to do one key at the end. One. Okay, off. On. Off. Back on again. Our mobilizer light is right there. You can see it flashing. And now it's out. Ignition off. On. The security light is out. Yes, it is. Off. Back on. Procedure complete. Check our key count. Turn the key off. Back to on. One key is programmed. And we are done. On this vehicle, you have to use the green adapter over the two ports right up underneath here, the ledge here, and you can see the green adapter is plugged in.